So, tunasema hasa kufanya biashara. 3, let's do business. Why? Because business opportunities are there, especially in African countries. Business opportunities, fursa za kufanya biashara ziko nyingi kuliko fursa za kuajiriwa. Today, do you agree? So, now, in order to do business, it's like a doctor. Not nobody can be a doctor. Not nobody can be a teacher. Not anybody can be an engineer. He has to undergo training. Seriously. He has to undergo training. Hey. Not happening to people who want to be already. So the same way in business, we need to have knowledge of doing business. This is what we are doing here. You cannot do business successfully if you don't have knowledge, sufficient knowledge. You understand? Now, unfortunately, in schools, we are not teaching how to generate money. Now, there is a paradox. In schools, we are teaching mathematics, science, geography, what, to get A. Three. We are not fully teaching how to generate money. They are teaching you to get education which will lead you to be employed, to provide the service of employment, the employment which is not there. Don't tunasema kwamba no, we need to divert this. So this entrepreneurship is something very, very serious. And you are lucky. And you are lucky to be this man.